What's cooking tonight? Well, here's what's cooking tonight. Chicken legs washed. You're gonna need some Italian dressing, zesty Italian, an onion, and some garlic. Okay, I have that chicken nicely seasoned. Season it to your desire. I put a little red crushed pepper, garlic, onion, seasoning salt, oil salt seasoning, and a little cilantro leaves. So now that you season it to your desire, pour that zesty Italian dressing right on top of that chicken. And you can save a little bit, put it in as the chicken brown. Let it brown to your desire. And place that chicken in the oven. We're gonna bake it.